Happy Independence Day to all. Today on this special day, again I am in front of you as an experienced cook to show you the procedure of very special veg menu, paneer mixed vegetable. I think everybody will like this menu, children to old, and the strictly non-vegetarian persons like me also like this veg item. So let me go very quickly to show you the procedure how to make this paneer mixed vegetable in very healthy way, and it will taste very good. First, let me show the ingredients required in detail. The quantity of these ingredients are for about 15 adult persons. The mentioned quantities are tentative. You can change it depending upon person to person. First, I will show you the vegetables required mainly for cooking this item. We need paneer, cauliflower, snake beans, that is barboti, carrot, capsicum, green peas, and coriander leaves. It is optional. The people who likes the flavor of coriander leaves, they can use it. It will be required after cooking only, at the final stage of cooking. And tomato it will be required as for preparation of spices. We need the spices, mainly sunflower oil, about 100 ml, common salt 2 to 3 spoons, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, black caraway means kala jeera half teaspoon, coriander seed 2 teaspoon, shahi paneer masala, and I prefer the Everest company, ginger about 50 gram, kaju nuts about 50 grams, unmold about 50 grams, small elaichi 5 to 6 pieces, whole black pepper about 10 grams, Amul milk powder about 50 grams, and Amul butter about 25 gram. Make all the spices ready with you. Before going to explain the procedure in detail, first I would like to mention the kitchen safety, as I mentioned already before in my previous video. So we all know, before cooking there is the possibilities of hot surfaces, hot utensils, and hot oil drops can come into our eyes, and there can be also wet floor of the kitchen which can lead to the slippery. So let us take our own precaution before entering into the kitchen for cooking. So we must use the goggles, transparent clear chashma. Then you can wear the nose mask, apron is must, and hand gloves. Hand gloves I prefer cotton hand gloves for hot surfaces, and during washing, cleaning these things you can use the rubber hand gloves. And if the slippery floor is there in the kitchen, so you can use the anti-slip sandals or shoes. Now, first I will make the ingredients, vegetables ready before starting the cooking. So let me cut the paneer into small pieces 1 by 1 centimeter, cauliflower also small size, carrot, capsicum, and the barbati into small sizes. Also make ready the green fresh peas. Now let me prepare the paste of the spices, kaju, unmold, ginger, black pepper, elaichi, coriander seeds which is not shown here in the picture, and tomato. Put them in the pot of a mixer with very little water and make paste of it. The paste should be very smooth like this. Now my ingredient vegetables and spices are totally ready for cooking. Now I will take a kodai of medium size for cooking up to about 15 persons. First, I have cleaned the kodai well and dried it. Now I will put this kodai on the high flame of the oven and heat it for about 3 to 4 minutes. And when the kodai is fully hot, add the required quantity of sunflower oil as I mentioned in the ingredient section and heat it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and you will ensure that oil is fully hot. Now very carefully, please, very carefully add the paneer slices into the hot oil. Please keep in mind that when you are adding the paneer to the very hot oil, so there is very high chance of jumping up of the hot oil droplets to your eyes and face. So please take very precaution by wearing the glass chashma. Fry the paneer each batch maximum for 1 minute. Don't fry it more. Just fry it up to slight brown color of the surface. If you fry more, the paneers will get very hard. Now by using the mesh, remove the paneer and keep aside in the separate bowl. Then fry the cauliflower, and cauliflower to be fried up to slight brown color. It takes about 4 to 5 minutes every batch. Every batch it takes about 4 to 5 minutes because cauliflower should be fried oil. And when it is fried slightly red brown, remove it from the oil and put it on the same pot where paneer was kept. Then fry the barboti, the snake beans, 3 to 4 minutes up to just medium fry. Don't fry it hard, and keep it at the same pot. Then similarly fry the carrot for about 3 to 4 minutes up to slight brown color. Then again keep it in the same pot. Then fry capsicum for about 2 to 3 minutes. Just little burning smell will come, and you like this flavor, burning flavor of the capsicum when the cooking will be ready. Remove the capsicum from oil and keep it on the same pot. At last, I will fry the green peas. Adding the green peas to hot oil is very dangerous. As I mentioned before, please take care about your face and eyes. Let it fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then finally transfer it to the same pot where all the other vegetables are kept. Now the frying of the vegetables are completed. So I will go for the making of the gravy for this vegetable. First, I will use this oil only, remaining oil after frying the vegetables. Reduce the flame to minimum and add little sugar, 2 spoons of sugar to the oil, hot oil, and stir it time to time. After some time, after 1 or 2 minutes, the total sugar will melt. Make the kalonji, means kala jeera, ready in your hand, and once the melt sugar starts flooding, then you add the kalonji with this hot oil and let it fry for about 30 seconds. Then add the paste which we already prepared before in the mixing machine and saute it for about 5 to 6 minutes. Unless very nice flavor will come, flavor of frying the kaju and almonds will come. Stir the gravy mixture time to time because it can get stuck up at the bottom and can get burnt. Now, when the spices are fried oil, we will add the Shahi Paneer Masala, Everest Company, which I already mentioned before, and mix it very well with the gravy. Keep ready of Amul spray mixed with hot water. About 50 ml water, add 50 ml of Amul spray and make the solution ready. Very slowly add the hot Amul powder solution to the gravy and mix it properly. Allow it to heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Make about half liter of hot water ready and very slowly add this hot water to the ready gravy of the spices. Now add required quantity of salt as per taste and as per your quantity. About 2 teaspoons of common salt is sufficient, so you can adjust slightly. Now when the gravy solution is boiling well, add the fried all the vegetables I kept in the bowl. Very carefully add it and mix it slowly. Add the Amul butter, about 25 to 30 gram, and mix very well with the mixed veg and allow it to boil for about 2 to 3 minutes maximum, not more than that. And when the veg mixture is slightly juicy, don't make it full dry because when it will cool down, then it will become more tight. So just keep it slightly juicy so that after cooling for about half an hour, it will become semi-gravy, semi-solid type. And finally, the paneer mixed veg is ready, and I think it will taste very good. So please try at your home, make it and let me know how the taste was. And don't forget please to comment on this video. Thank you for your patience and best of luck for your try. Thank you.